Intro. Hi everyone, I am Faisal Azam with you. Today we discuss the top 10 parrots to consider as pets. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of the latest videos and watch the complete video. Let's start. Parrots are one of the most intelligent and fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. They have been kept as pets for centuries, admired and loved for their colorful feathers and playful personalities. But with so many different species out there, it can be difficult to decide which one is right for you. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 10 parrots to consider as pets. 10. The Sun Conure. The Sun Conure is a medium-sized parrot known for its vibrant and vivid colors. They are affectionate and playful, making them a great companion for families. 9. The Senegal Parrot. The Senegal Parrot is small to a medium-sized bird known for its playful and lively personality. They adapt well to new environments and can easily learn a variety of tricks. 8. The Eclectus Parrot. The Eclectus Parrot is a medium-sized bird with strikingly beautiful feathers. They are intelligent and can learn to mimic different sounds, making them a favorite among bird enthusiasts. 7. The Quaker Parrot. The Quaker Parrot is a small to medium-sized bird, with a quirky and fun-loving personality. They are highly social birds and enjoy interacting with their owners. 6. The Myers Parrot. The Myers Parrot is a small bird with a big personality. They are affectionate and thrive on attention, making them a favorite among pet owners. Five. The Blue and Gold Macaw. The blue and gold macaw is a large bird, known for its vibrant blue and gold feathers. They are intelligent and social birds, making them a great fit for experienced bird owners. 4. The African Gray Parrot. The African Gray Parrot is a medium-sized bird with an incredible vocabulary. They are highly intelligent and have been known to hold conversations with their owners. 3. The Cockatiel. The Cockatiel is a small bird with a big personality. They are friendly and easily bonded to their owners, making them a great choice for families. 2. The Amazon Parrot. The Amazon Parrot is a medium-sized bird with a colorful personality. They are known for being vocal and can easily learn to mimic human speech. 1. The Cockatoo. The cockatoo is a large bird with a fun-loving personality. They are highly social birds and love to be around their owners, making them great pets for those who are willing to invest time and patience into their care. Conclusion. Choosing the right parrot as a pet can be a difficult decision, but with these top 10 choices, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your family. Remember to research the needs of each species to ensure that you can provide them with a happy and healthy life.